One of the most common questions is, when should I actually enter the trade? There's always a moment when you have to decide. In this video, I'll show you what I'm waiting for before I take the trade. So around to open, we can see that we did have a small, just minor break of structure here. And so what we'll do is go ahead and create our supply zone. Okay, so one of the things that we noticed during open is that around pre-market, we see that price is making lower lows and lower highs to the downside. We see that price has come down from the supply, and we'll see if price gets back into the supply area and continues downward. And we can go ahead and list those confluences. Below the 20 and the 50 EMAs, it's lower highs and lower lows. During pre-market. And there's liquidity below. So price has created some liquidity here, so we can mark that. We have a little area of imbalance around in here. All right, and so that's what we're looking for. So we'll see if that occurs. We see that price makes its way back up into the supply zone, but we don't enter yet. Now we're going to wait for a sell signal. And our sell signal is either an engulfing candle or a 3-bar reversal. Okay, and here we have an engulfing candle. And also during this time, we can check the 3-minute, and we can see on the 3-minute time frame that we have the 3-bar reversal. So on the 3-minute, our first bar is at 9:36, the second is at 9:39, and the third bar is at 9:42. So our confirmation bar occurs at 9:42. And so now we know that it's okay to enter the trade with our stop above the high. And we're just going to shoot for this area of liquidity. I'm just going to shoot for a 1-to-1. So small base hits are what we're looking for, especially on a Friday. And here's the trade in real time. Okay, we've entered the trade. And now we're going to take it down to the next area of support, which is right down here. So we can see that price is making its way to the downside now. And looks like we are about to hit our take profit, which is the next area of support and the end of this wick. So price went after that liquidity there. Then the momentum was continuing, so we entered one more time. So that we could see if we could reach this area of imbalance right over here. And we'll go ahead and move our stop to break even. We're still in the trade. Looks like it's going to continue downward. Okay, so instead of guessing, let's keep it simple. Before you take the trade, we look for the break of the level, the return to the level, and the confirmation. Trading becomes easier when the market shows you it's ready. So we don't need more trades, we just need to be able to recognize the moment and watch for signals from the market. If this helps you to understand good entries more clearly and you want to keep building consistency, then consider subscribing. I share simple, structured setups like this each week. Trade mindfully.